Hello, YouTube. Are you looking for a screwdriver set to add to your box? Cornwell, in their December 2020 flyer, they got this screwdriver set that's normally $93. It's on sale for $65, and they're gonna give you a free pick set. Now, I was on the truck. This pick set is $28 for it. So I think it's a really good deal. I only had 2 screwdrivers in my box, so I decided to pick it up, and they're really good screwdrivers. It's a lifetime warranty. If you break it, they'll replace it, give you a new screwdriver, and it comes with a pick set. Screwdrivers feel really good, and I think that's a really good deal. So, talk to your Cornwell dealer. $65 plus a free pick set. That's hard to beat.